So if you're thinking about living in Canada as a digital nomad, working remotely for your employer or as a freelancer for clients abroad, there is good news for you because Canada had rolled out a while back its Digital Nomad Visa, essentially, which is a TRV visa, but it allows you to enter Canada in the capacity of a digital nomad. So let's break it down step by step. Okay, so on this program, Canada allows you to live in their country for a period of about 6 months. You can continue to work for your remote employer. The key is that you must prove that your income source is outside Canada. So you do not need a Canadian employer. You do not need to give any IELTS exam. You do not need any LMIA document. So what you really need is proof that you are financially sound. You enjoy a certain degree of financial freedom. You're not tied to any 8-hour job. You're not tied to a physical location for your employer. Either you are genuinely employed for a remote employer or you are a freelancer with clients abroad. So the process is very simple. You are simply applying for a TRV visa while demonstrating that you work for a remote employer, and then you need to add documents to prove your employment and your income source from that employer. And that can be contracts, pay stubs, bank statements, employment verification letters, or simple employment letters. You can also highlight the payments that you are receiving from your employer on the bank statement. This will help the immigration officer to determine that it's a legit payment from a remote employer. Now, this visa is not just about entering Canada on a one-time basis. As a matter of fact, it could be a foot in the door. And that means while you are in Canada, and if you are able to secure a job offer, from a Canadian employer, this can help you transition into getting a longer work permit, which can later help you transition into permanent resident through programs like Express Entry, provincial nominee programs, so on and so forth. The options are endless on this Digital Nomad Visa. And now the question is, why Canada and why not rest of the countries? For example, Italy, Germany, UK. Canada offers you top-notch healthcare and safe communities. And at the same time, there's diversity in culture, languages, and food. No matter which part of Canada you are in, you will always find someone from your own country. So it's perfect for someone who wants like a mix of adventure and stability. So if you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, remote worker, and you're looking to make Canada your next stop, then the Digital Nomad Visa is your golden ticket. And if you want to know if you qualify or you are looking to maximize the chances of an approval, reach out to my office at MAC Canadian Immigration Services. We help people like you turn short stays into long-term Canadian dreams. So simply book an appointment at the given link here. We'll have a consultation session either at my office in Mississauga, or we can hold a Zoom session online. And we'll do a complete assessment of your professional profile. And of course, we will let you know how you can move forward. Grab your gadgets, board that plane, and get to Canada. We'll come back with more updates. Thank you.